Now then, here we go. Right, first of all, I got this morning. We got these things for the kitchen thing, where the sink is. You know, I think it's rather good. I looked at these this morning. So, we've got a bottle of fairy liquid there. Okay. We've got this box of Band-Aid there. We've got this thing of flies killer. We've got this, I've never heard of one of these. It's a sort of freshener that goes in the fridge. I've never seen one of those before. Don't know what that is. We've got a bottle of window leaves, no? Okay. We've got this bottle of Dettol there. Right. We've got a box here for energy saving light bulb. There's that one. Box of Brillo. Okay. We've got these blue things that go in the toilet, but I don't know what you do with these. I wouldn't know. But they're quite good, aren't they? I like those. A box of spinach, which I won't even go in this kitchen because we don't have anything for it to go with. And then we've got a box of Ariel there. Okay. And we've got a box of Lenore also. I've got some of that in my kitchen. And this tiny little every little this tiny little box with everybody written on it. I don't know, I can't quite see what it says. It's either a lamp battery or one for a radio, maybe. I don't know. So there's those things. Okay. So we will be having a dog in this house, but I'm not quite sure what kind of dog it will be yet. It doesn't want to be anything too big, does it? It doesn't want to be anything too small, you can't really see it. Now we haven't got the dog, but we've got all the things for it. So we've got a bag there of items. Okay. We've got this bag here of pedigree, isn't it? Yeah, that's one of that. We've got this box of Bakers there. No, of course it won't. We've got a bottle of box of Bonio there. We've got to stay up. We've got this. I think this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it says on it. Oh, it's a mixer. That one. And we've got this one which is pedigree. That's a tin of it. And we've got this bowl, which is huge. You wouldn't want to have a huge dog or a tiny dog, would you? We've got this little food thing to put the food in. Okay. We've got this thing here called clear. I reckon something to do with something you'd rather not talk about. But yeah. And then you have this little doll toy thing here. This one. I'll get out. Okay, and then you have this box of now this these, you know, the C's. This is actually full of tins. So if you open that up, there's 4 tins in there with various things on them. Not that I can even see what any of them say, because I can't. It's too tricky, isn't it? Too tricky to see what these things say. I don't know. Stupid. Look, it's so tiny. But actually, I do like these tiny things a lot better than I like the actual dog house itself. I think the tiny things are great. So there you go, that's all the stuff there for the dog. When we get one, which we will. Okay, that's all those. Right. Right, so you've seen these gramophones before, haven't you? So look at this. This is really good. So there we have a box there. It says it's March's voice on it. And it says it all the way around. Okay, and on the back as well, you see. But what it's got inside is even better. So, look at all these. These are really good. We like these. So we got all these now there, and you can actually take the records out of these, so you can put them on there. You know, but it's just difficult to get out. Anyway, so there's how they look. See, you can just put them on there, can't you? Yeah, so there's one of these, which I think are great. I mean, I saw these and I thought, my goodness, that's a great thing, isn't it? I thought so. Yeah. So there they all are. All those lovely things that I got this morning. So, hope you found that interesting, because I certainly did. And come back to you another time with something else, no doubt. Okay, bye.